Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Drugs like catecholamines are of two types. So there is one more classification of catecholamines. Catecholamines can be endogenous catecholamines or exogenous catecholamines. Endogenous catecholamines include adrenaline, noradrenaline and dopamine, whereas exogenous catecholamines include dobutamine, ibuprofen, phenoldiazepam, dopexamine and isoprenaline are the exogenous catecholamines. Then we also have non-catecholamines. So this is one more classification.
thank you and thank you for watching.